We're thrilled you want to learn more about HOFT's in-ground fencing installation. Here's a simple step-by-step video guide to help you install HOFT's user-friendly and adaptable in-ground privacy fence. First, see what you get in each all-aluminum 96-inch HOFT post kit. Quality post, post cap, rail blocks, spacers, section brackets, and all necessary hardware and instructions. Now, here are the tools you'll need to install your HOFT in-ground fence. A hole digger or a gas auger, a level, a measuring tape, 2 stakes and a rope, an inverted marking aerosol paint, ready-to-use concrete mix bags, a wheelbarrow, a shovel for mixing concrete. Before starting your project, make sure you check with your local codes and regulations that your fence will be within your property line. And when in doubt, do check with your local utility companies before digging. Now that you're prepared and have asked a friend or family member for a helping hand for this phase of the project, begin by mapping out your post locations. Plant 2 stakes at both ends of the fence line and stretch a rope between them, ensuring it grazes the grass of the higher part of your lawn and is level and taut. This rope will determine the height of the first board for all fence panels. For optimal appearance and to minimize board warping, the maximum recommended length of boards for our HOFT posts is 6 feet. This means the center of post to center of post distance must be 73 inches and 3/4 for 72-inch boards. Keep in mind that no matter what your panel width will be, boards must always be cut 1 inch and 3/4 shorter than your center to center distance. Once you've measured your project, use aerosol spray paint to mark with an X where each hole must be dug. Then use a hole digger or gas auger to dig a hole approximately 8 inches wide by 36 inches deep or 48 inches deep if you live in an area where ground freezes in winter months. To make post setting easier and ensure uniform height, measure and mark directly on the post protective film the height of each post from top to rope. For example, if you're going for a 6-foot fence, mark your post at 73 inches and a half to allow you to insert 12 deck boards. Now, it's time to mix the concrete. 1 hole at a time, pour the mixed concrete into the hole. Slide in your HOFT post along the rope line until the post mark is flush with your leveled rope. This ensures all posts will be at the same height regardless of your lawn level. Remember, posts must never be less than 18 inches in a concrete footing. To ensure the post is perfectly straight, vertically level both sides of each post. Repeat these steps for all HOFT posts and be sure to allow the concrete to set and harden for at least 72 hours before installing any boards. Be careful following these steps. You'll have a sturdy, durable, and great-looking in-ground fence built to last. If you're unsure about any aspect of the installation process, consider consulting a professional or referring to local building codes. To learn more about the HOFT fence installation system itself, please check out our HOFT system installation how-to video.